Hey, what is good YouTube? I'm Gina signing in and welcome to my channel. So also shout out to Afrin for filming this right now. He's basically at the back. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm outside right now. So we'll be doing a short video I guess. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for the 535 subscribers. But hey, I know I haven't really been doing that much, but I actually just uploaded a dance music video with my friend. So if you guys didn't watch it yet, make sure to watch. I'm probably gonna put like a small thumbnail here, so make sure to watch that shit, you know. But anyway, so as you guys can see, I'm outside, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make your Instagram post stand out. So yeah, that's the plan. So basically I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I do it. There's like a different ways to do it basically, but this one is basically my own opinion and how I do it. So yeah, so basically this is how you make your Instagram, you know, stand out from compared to other people. So yeah, but like this one will be more likely based on streetwear. So if you guys want me to do the same thing with a different category, so let's say food or photography or sports, so I can also help you guys with that one, or like dancing videos, let me know. Because but this one is more likely focused on like streetwear fashion, you know, basically making your outfit or like picture stand out and, you know, get more engagement. So that's the goal. That's basically the entire thing what I want to do here. So yeah, so before we start or like go all over, first thing I'm gonna need you to do is actually go to your profile account, go to your settings, make sure to make your account as a business page. So basically me, right, my account, it was just normal. So what I do, since I'm a video creator or videographer, so what I did, I switched my account to video creator. So by that time, once you get your account to a business page, so every time you post, basically what happens is once you post something, you'll actually get a freedom or options to see the impressions or the engagement of your post, like how well is your post doing. So basically you'll see how many people saw your post from that, like impressions. Secondly is you'll know how many people visit your profile from that post, and you'll also know how many people save your post from that insights. So that's pretty much it. So that's the very first goal. So I'm gonna need you guys to keep watching, because that's only the first time. This is only for the streetwear, like what I said. So nothing really like specific with like other stuff. So this is more like how I do it in my streetwear posts basically, or like, you know, fits posts. So yeah, that's the first goal, and I guess we're gonna keep going. Alright guys, so we already finished with the number one. Now we're in number two. Number two is you're gonna build your own outfit, you know. So it doesn't need to like really expensive, as long as like you're super happy, or like you're happy with what you're wearing, and then you think it's good, and it doesn't really matter, because as long as you're happy and as long as it's not too much, as well as, you know, it's pretty like it's pretty subtle, and like, you know, you feel like you feel good basically. So this is what I'm wearing, so I don't want to appeal too much. And I'm wearing my Air Force Ones. It's like the nclgallery. I'm also wearing my corduroy short sleeve flannel, so I'm really happy with it, and I feel so comfy, and I think it's good. So yeah, so that's the first. That's the second one. To build your outfit. Doesn't matter. You don't need other people's opinion as long as you're happy with it. So yeah, that's the second one. Build your outfit. Number three is find a location. So speaking of location, we're actually already in the specific location that we actually found. So it's the location here in Crystal Mall. We're actually happy about it, because it's nothing too crazy. We actually like it's like this statue. But anyways, so yeah, so we chose this location because it actually does really match with my outfit, especially with the color wise and color blacking as well. It's kind of dirty though, but like doesn't really matter, because like we actually, or me personally, I actually like the aesthetic of it. So yeah, besides of the colors basically, I just like the feel of it, you know. It gives me something, I don't know, it's like special meaning I guess. But the main reason is, or the main thing that you need to know is, for choosing a background, you need to like at least like a background or like a location that matches your outfit basically. So that's the number 3. Choose your location. Alright guys, so we just finished getting a bubble tea. You know, shout out Effin. So we actually end up going back to the Metro Town Mall because we didn't really find anything. But yeah, so we already did the step 1, step 2, step 3 on how to make your Instagram post stand out. So I'll be going home and we'll be continuing there because I'll be doing everything, or I'll be doing the rest through phone. So yeah, step 4, once I get home, I'll see you guys there, and peace. Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm home now. So right now I'll be showing you guys, since I'm home now, I'll be showing you guys the Instagram part. So the way, this is basically the time when you post it after doing all those things, the pictures, locations, outfit, making your account to business page. So now I'll be showing you guys number 4. Number 4 is basically think of caption and basically editing your picture and basically, you know, make it look good. And so what I do, for my own opinion, if I have no idea, right, I have no idea at all for caption, can't think of anything, what I do is I just, you know, sometimes go to my playlist and listen to songs actually gets the lyrics that actually hits me, you know, actually relates to me. So right now I'll be actually recording on my phone, and I'll be showing you guys in screen as well. So yeah, right now we'll be going to Instagram, go to my profile, so you can see I'm here now, and this is the picture that we took. It's actually really nice. I end up taking I edit this in Lightroom, and I feel like I'm happy with it. I don't want to put any too much editing on that one. So what you're gonna do is obviously go next, and I chose the caption is, this is something that actually hits me, so I'm gonna type, hope you smile when you listen. I know it's kind of cringy, guys, for sure, but you know, if you don't have any caption, just go to your playlist of music, you know. So it is what it is. So what I'm gonna do, hope you smile when you listen, maybe put a caption of this. So let's just say for now that one, right? And then what we're gonna do, what I usually do is I credit my photographer. My photographer is Efren, but you know, I'm the one who's basically training him, so I'm gonna tag him here. Tag him, Efren right here. Where's Efren, bro? Efren Arts right there. So next is, this was actually I would say number 5. This will be the number 5. So number 5 is the tagging. So before I keep going though, just so you know, this is only everything will work if your account is a public page. So make sure your account is public, not private, alright? So you gotta make sure it's public page. Plus, you gotta also that you need to know that you need to consider that there will be other people. This is not fake followers or fake accounts that will be commenting in your post. It's actually real people who are actually gonna, you know, give feedback on your post. So you need to be aware with that, and they're real, they're not fake, alright? So yeah, so that's basically it. And then now I'm actually gonna be tagging, you know, people or pages that actually features fit. So like what I said, this is a streetwear post basically, so you gotta tag, you know, specific pages that uploads basically fit. So first, in this one you can add for posts, actually you can tag accounts maximum is 15. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tag Culturfits, I'm gonna tag Smartstreetwear. So I'm also gonna put this in the description, so you guys can just copy paste this one. So maximum is like what I said is maximum was 15, so I got 3 now. I'm also tagging the local ones. So I got Vancouver Streetwear, Van City Wears, and let's say Corefashion. Okay, so I just finished tagging all those pages that was related to my post, as well as basically more likely related to streetwear, and let's say, and also the brand that I'm wearing. Let's say the Air Force One, so I tagged Nike. The pants was H&M, so I tagged H&M as well. So well, like what I said, is maximum was 15 people or 15 pages. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be posting now. So I'll press share that. So it's actually loading now. And what I'm gonna do is I'll be putting the tags. Alright guys, so we already posted the pictures. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna go comment. I'll be just copy paste my hashtags right there. So all those hashtags is basically related to all the streetwear fashion that I know. But if you guys want me to explain it next time, I'll be doing that. But this one's actually all of it is related to streetwear. So yeah, I'll be putting everything in the link, not link in bio, but I'll be putting everything on the description, so you can just follow me. So you can just copy paste it. So make sure you to just check the description down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And so after you do everything that, right, after you post everything, put the tags, tagging people as well. So what I'm gonna do is, usually what I do, I put in my story, right? I put something in my story. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down there, and so for Instagram it goes for the Instagram story, it goes the same thing. So if you put hashtags, it actually does work as well. So what I do, so I'm usually usually what I do, I just always post it recent, basically recent on my story, so people actually knows like, oh, Gino just posted, so let's go check it out. But yeah, this is just me, this is my own opinion. So if you guys have any questions or have any suggestions about it, just drop a comment below. But yeah, this is my own opinion and my own style of like how I post to make my Instagram stand out and actually get more engagement and reaches as well as impressions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type recent that, and then I do this with the background color as well, and I just pick the eyedropper tool right there, and then I just put it down here. Sometimes it depends, up to you. And then what I do, I just put fresh fits, hashtag fresh fits. This is my favorite tag. I know a lot of people always use this tag right here. So basically it's just like you're basically tagging an account, but this one's like a lot of people can see it. So that's what I do. And yeah, so now we're gonna put this in a story, and you're good. You got your photo, you got everything basically. So once you did that, you'll get everything. Just keep coming and coming and coming. So that's pretty much it, I guess. So yeah, so if you guys want me to do another video, something about how to make your Instagram account pop out or like stand out or your posts, please drop a comment below. Or maybe if you like this video, it actually does help you, if you're actually like wondering, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as well as to hit that like button as well. I'll definitely appreciate that. But yeah, so let me know if you guys want me to do another video, something like this, or maybe in a different category, because this was more likely on my streetwear vibes, and this is my own opinion as well and my own style. So I'll be wrapping the video there, and I definitely thank you guys if you're still watching. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're like what I said, always follow me on Instagram, you know, I'll be following you back. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm Gino Diaz signing out. Peace.
Lenzo got that shit, boy. Hey, young Lenzo got that shit, boy. Wrist stance, I got sparkle on my hands. Bitch dance.